Welcome back! Great to see you again. In this video, I will show you the best way to shoot at night and the night sky. I will explain with some quick tips and fun examples. It may sound obvious, but shooting nights is not like shooting days. You need a bit of preparation. First thing, bring a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, use a wall or a fence. Just make sure your camera is stable because if there is any movement, the footage will turn out blurry. Second, normally you may be told to use a wide-angle lens, but that's not always right. It depends on the shot you are looking for, so keep an open mind. Third, use a slow shutter speed. This will allow more light to come into your camera sensor and capture more detail in the night sky. Fourth, use a low ISO. This will reduce the amount of noise in your footage. Here is an example with ISO 3200 and ISO 100. Can you see the difference? Fifth, shoot in manual mode. This will give you full control over your camera settings and you will be able to capture the best possible footage. Sixth, use a remote shutter release or a timer. This will eliminate any camera shake from pressing the shutter button. Seventh, don't forget to expose for the highlights. It's very easy to get the highlights right. Just make sure that the brightest parts of the image are not blown out. Eighth, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different shutter speeds, apertures, and ISOs to see what works best for you. Ninth, don't forget to have fun. Night photography is a unique and challenging experience. Enjoy it. Now let's talk about shooting the night sky specifically. The best time to shoot the night sky is during the new moon phase. When there is no moonlight to interfere with the stars, you want to find a location with minimal light pollution. You can use apps like Dark Sky Finder or Light Pollution Science and Technology Institute to find dark sky areas near you. It's also important to check the weather forecast and make sure that there will be clear skies on the night of your shoot. Once you have found a suitable location and have checked the weather, it's time to set up your camera. Use a wide-angle lens and a sturdy tripod. Set your camera to manual mode and use a slow shutter speed to capture the stars. To take great night sky photos, you need a very stable setup and a remote shutter release is highly recommended. If you want to capture the Milky Way, you will need a wider aperture and a longer shutter speed. A good starting point is to set your aperture to f2.8 and your shutter speed to 20 seconds. If you want to capture the northern lights, you will need a very long exposure time. A good starting point is to set your shutter speed to 1 minute. Don't forget to expose for the highlights and don't be afraid to experiment with different settings. And finally, have fun and enjoy the unique experience of capturing the beauty of the night sky. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.